Well, new tonight, plaintiffs in the lawsuit against South Carolina's bathroom law are speaking out.
That's right. This week, a family and a social justice group sued the state and its education department, calling the law that requires students to use restrooms based on their biological sex unconstitutional.
WCNC Charlotte's Julia Kaufman joins us live in the studio. Julia, what can you tell us on this?
Well, guys, this lawsuit really centers around a 13-year-old transgender boy whose middle school allegedly threatened to expel him if he kept using the boys' bathroom. That student's identity is protected, but I did get a chance to speak with the LGBTQ rights group that's part of the case. This lawsuit, filed Wednesday, claims South Carolina is violating students' civil and constitutional rights.
We want schools to be safe, inclusive spaces.
Chase Glenn is the executive director of the Alliance for Full Acceptance. He says the state's bathroom law is impacting transgender students statewide.
Passing laws that target small groups of students who are just trying to learn and exist in their schools is not right. It's not fair.
The law took effect in July as a one-year budget proviso, requiring students to use bathrooms based on their biological sex.
That a boy will use the boys' bathroom, the boys' locker room, the boys' changing room. A girl will use the girls' bathroom, the girls' locker room, the girls' changing room.
York County Senator Wes Clymer pushed the effort, singling out a transgender student in his district.
Rock Hill High School, today, there is an 18-year-old man who is daily using the women's locker room and their bathroom. This amendment would rectify that very obvious problem.
If schools don't enforce the rule, they could lose state funding. Federal regulations under the Biden administration prohibit these bathroom laws. But according to NBC News, courts have blocked those federal regulations in the 26 Republican-led states, including South Carolina, that sued to stop them. The student in this case attended a middle school in Berkeley County, but unenrolled after he was suspended for using the boys' bathroom. I reached out to that school district, but they tell me they can't comment on the case, guys.